Hey everybody, so this time we're drawing Amy Rose from Sonic. And I'm just getting started out here on the head. Thought I would do the voiceover this time. Last time when I did Cream the rabbit, I did not. I just did a time lapse. You can see here drawing in the eyes. That's one of the biggest things, especially character drawing. The eyes say so much about the expression on the face. She has a little smirk or like I'm gonna get you type of expression on her face. So I did have to spend a lot of time here with the eyes, repositioning them. You'll see I do erase. I'm drawing freehand, there's no tracing here. I am looking at a picture of this as my reference. And not going to be an exact 100%, but I'm trying to get as close as possible to my picture. So here I'm starting on the body. Make sure to position the arms and her composure there, how she's positioned. Watch your lines. You might have to use some art techniques using grid. I don't use grid much, I just kind of freehand draw. Probably why I erase so much. But that's just my style. I'd rather erase than use the grid because I feel like I gotta erase that later. Working on the hammer here. I definitely started off drawing her legs way too long. I had to adjust for that. You can measure too using proportional methods. I did not. So just trying to get her juxtaposed to Cream. Cream would be a little bit further up in the foreground or slightly in front of her, not by much. Amy Rose being a little bit in the background, towards the back. There's not going to be much of a background to this piece, it's just going to be colored in when it's done. And you will see that in my next video. So working in on the shoes, got the hammer done. I had to go over these shoes a few times. The hammer looked too high up. The hammer should be closer to the ground. I realized that when it was too late and had to make some adjustment. But that's okay, because I'm good at drawing shoes. I usually can get those done pretty quick. It's the face that's always more challenging. The eyes are always more challenging. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this, and I'll see you next time. Please make sure to watch more videos, subscribe, and let me know what you think.